Submarine Adventure. Will's birthday present is the beginning of an exciting undersea adventure. Today I read a book called Submarine Adventure in the Offer Reading Tree series, and it is stage 7-6. Series created by Robert Kunt and Alex Britta. Wolf and Wilma had come to play at Biff and Chip's house. It was Wolf's birthday. Happy birthday, Wolf, said Biff and Chip. They gave him a big card. Wolf had a large box. This is my birthday present, he said. Everyone looked inside the box. What is it? asked Chip. It looks like a submarine, said Biff. It's a kind of submarine, said Wolf. It explores the seabed. That's right, said Wilma. It goes to the bottom of the sea. What a brilliant present, said Biff. The submarine looked like a car. It had big windows and it had headlights. Wolf put the headlights on. It's brilliant, said Chip. Biff looked at the magic key. Suddenly, it began to glow. It was time for a new adventure. I wonder where the key will take us, said Wolf. The magic took the children to the sea where there were lots of food. Chip pointed to a yellow submarine. Look at that one, he said. It looks just like Wolf's submarine. The children went to look at the submarine. I wish we could look inside, said Chip. Just then a hatch began to open and a man looked out. The man peered at them. Hello, he said. I'm Professor Tango. How do you do, said Wolf. My new crew, said Professor Tango. You look a bit young. We're not your new crew, shouted Wolf. How do you do? Professor Tango didn't hear properly. He got things muddled up. You know what to do, he said. That's good. Get on board, went on the professor, and tell me your name. I am Biff, said Biff, and this is Wilma. This is Wolf, and this is Chip. No, it's not a ship, said the professor. It's a diving machine. We know that, said Wolf. We've never been in one, said Wilma, and you're not your new crew. You flew? Said Professor Tango. I didn't see an airplane. Now shall we go? Everyone smiled, and they all climbed into the submarine. Professor Tango shut the hatch. There's not much room, said Wilma. No, said Biff. I hope it doesn't leak. Of course you can speak, said the professor. Professor Tango started the engines. It's time to dive, he said. The submarine went under the water. Blub, 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 it went. Everyone looked out of the window. They could see fish everywhere. It's wonderful, said Chip. It's amazing to be under the sea. You can't see, said Professor Tango. Look out of the window, then. Come on, crew, said Professor Tango. Time to do some work. Push that button, Biff. Press that handle, Wolf. Pull that lever, Chip. We're not the crew, yelled Biff. Things might go wrong. Sing a song? Said Professor Tango. There's no time for that. There's far too much to do. The submarine began to dive. It went deeper and deeper. Glub, 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 it went. Where are we heading? Shouted Chip. Will we dive deep? No, you can't go to sleep, said Professor Tango. You're the crew. You have to stay away. We are going to dive deep. This thing scares me, said Wilma. The submarine went deeper and deeper. Glub, 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 it went. Everyone looked out of the window. I can see a shark, said Wilma. It is getting dark, said the professor. The submarine went even deeper. Professor Tango was excited. It began to get dark. It's getting very dark, said Biff. Put the lights on, Professor. The professor pushed the light switch. Bother, the lights don't work, he said. Biff looked out of the window. Oh no, help! Professor Tango, I can see huge rocks, he called. No, I don't need clean socks, said the professor. Now where's that fuse? He began to look for his toolbox. Look out, yelled Chip, you're going to crash. Professor Tango pushed the button and he pulled the lever. The submarine didn't crash. It just missed the rock. Phew, that was close, said Wilma. There was a cave ahead of them. The submarine was heading for it. Slow down, Professor, called Wolf. We are heading for a cave in the rocks. Yes, it was in the box, said the professor. He yelled up the fuse. Professor, slow down, yelled Wolf. We're going into a cave. Well, why didn't you say so, asked Professor Tango. You better slow down. He pulled a lever and the submarine slowed down just in time. The submarine went into the cave. Professor Tango put the new fuse in. All the lights came on. The cave shone and sparkled. There were diamonds all over the walls. Diamonds, I'm rich, said the professor. But you can't get at them, said Biff. Oh bother, said Professor Tangle. Suddenly the walls of the cave began to shake. Rock and stones fell all around them. We must get out, said the professor. Full speed ahead. Oh no, we aren't going to make it, said Wilma. The submarine got out just in time. Phew, that was close, said Biff. We're sorry you couldn't get the diamonds, Professor, said Chip. Just then the key began to glow. The magic took them back to Biff's room. That was a good adventure, said Chip. We must go home for tea, said Wilma. With that, joked Wilf, you want to go back to sea? But that was the book, and I think the Professor Tangle's ear aren't that great, had bad ears, so can't hear the kids properly. In my opinion, I think he needs an ear test, And I'll see you in the next book. Take care.